Hello! Are you easily amused by cool hypnotic ambient noises? I sure am, and I just got, all in one day, this care package of a sweet Vox AC4TV with the 10-inch speaker and the Ocean's 11 Reverb pedal, which I was playing with in shimmer mode because it makes me happy. And between the two of those, and of course my little electric ukulele that I've been making here at Acreworks Fine Instruments, wow, what a fun way to spend time. It's like every little note I make kind of rings in a beautifully satisfying kind of way. So that's what this video has been showing. Here, I'll play a little bit more. I'm just noodling around on the scale notes for the most part, and there's music of no significance.